Hello everyone, welcome to Altrius. This session is specially designed for students of grade 6 and above. We will be going through a science related quiz program with simple and clear explanation for each answer. Some of the questions are based on key chapters of grade 6 science curriculum. We hope you will find this session interesting, informative and helpful in your learning journey. Let's get started. First question, which of the following is a habitat? Options are a pen, oil, forest, still. And the right option is C, forest. What is a habitat? Habitat is the natural home or environment of a plant, animal or other organism. It provides the organisms that live here with food, water, shelter and space to survive. Which gas do plants take in during photosynthesis? The right option is D, carbon dioxide. Glucose is an example of a protein, vitamins, carbohydrate or fat. Which option is correct? The right option here is C, carbohydrate. Glucose is an example of a carbohydrate and it is a primary source of energy for cells. Which of the following is not protein? Options are ghee, milk, egg, meat. And right option is ghee. Ghee is primarily fat with negligible amounts of carbohydrates, protein or fiber. On the other hand, milk, egg and meat are protein. Which of the following is fat? Option D is correct, oil. Fats are an essential part of healthy diet and they can be found in wide variety of foods. Some common sources of fat include dairy products like butter and cheese, ghee, nuts and seeds, avocado, and oils like olive oil, canola oil and sunflower oil. Also food like fatty fish such as salmon, tuna are excellent source of healthy fats. So here right option is D, oil. Loss of vision, poor vision is due to the absence of options are vitamin A, B, C and D. So it is due to absence of vitamin A. Loss of vision or poor vision can be due to absence of several factors including vitamin A, light reaching the retina or even certain neurological functions. So vitamin A is one of the major factors. Deficiency in vitamin A, particularly in less developed regions, can cause corneal scarring and vision loss. Scurvy is due to the absence of which type of vitamin? A, B, C and D. And it is due to vitamin C. Scurvy is caused by severe deficiency of vitamin C in the diet. Vitamin C is crucial for body's growth and repair of skin, cartilage, bone and teeth, as well as acting as an antioxidant. Rickets is due to absence of which vitamin? Due to the vitamin D. Ricket is primarily caused by deficiency in vitamin D, calcium or phosphorus or a combination of all of these. These deficiencies lead to the softening and weakening of bones in children. Question 7. Lemon is a source of vitamin A, B, C or D. Which one is correct? It is C, vitamin C. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, citric acid and dietary fiber. They also contain potassium, calcium, folate and various plant compounds. Additional lemon peels are rich in vitamin C. So lemon is a source of vitamin C. A compass is primarily used for navigation and indicating dash. Options are distance, direction, speed, time. Right option here is B, direction. Which of the following is the standard international system of units, SI unit of length? Options are meter, centimeter, kilometer, millimeter. And right option is A, meter. SI unit of length is meter. The normal temperature of healthy human body is taken to be 36 degree, 39 degree, 37 degree, 35 degree. Which one is correct? And it is C, 37 degree Celsius. A device that measures temperature is called A compass, B thermometer, C ammeter, D barometer. It is B thermometer. The process of conversion of water into vapor state is called D evaporation. The process of conversion of water vapor into liquid state is called, which option is correct? A, condensation. The process of settling down of heavier insoluble compound at the bottom of a liquid is called A, decantation, evaporation, sedimentation, winnowing. And the right option here is C, sedimentation. Which of the following is a renewable natural sources? Options are coal, oil, water, gas. And correct option here is water. What is renewable natural resource? Renewable sources are natural resources that can replenish themselves over time or exist on a continual basis. Example includes solar energy, wind energy, water energy, geothermal energy, and biomass. These sources are considered sustainable because they can be used repeatedly without being depleted. So here, water is the renewable natural resource. Coal, oil, gas cannot be used anymore once one time it is being used. How many total planets are there in the universe? And right option here is B, 8. The 8 planets in order of their increasing distance from Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The moon is Earth's natural dash. Planet, comet, satellite, none of the above. And the right option is C, satellite. The moon is Earth's natural satellite because it's a celestial body that orbits our planet Earth. The term natural satellite distinguishes it from artificial satellite, which are human-made objects orbiting Earth. Which of these is not a source of energy? Moon, wind, sun, and again wind. So here correct option is A, moon. Moon is not a source of energy because it does not produce its own light or heat. The light we see from moon is actually reflected sunlight. Other hand, sun and wind they produce energies. From sun we got solar energy, and from wind energy. Sun, wind and water are sources of renewable energy. These sources can be harnessed to generate electricity and other forms of power. Which part of the plant absorbs water from soil? Leaf, root, stem, flower. And it is B, root. Root is a part of the plant that absorbs water from the soil, specifically the root hairs, which are tiny, hair-like extension of the root cells and crucial for this process. We can see here a picture that roots absorbing air, water from soil. What's the process by which green plant makes food? Photosynthesis, respiration, germination, none of the above. And right option is A, photosynthesis. The green plants make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. This process uses sunlight, water and carbon dioxide to create glucose, a type of sugar, and oxygen. Glucose is used for plants' energy and growth, while the oxygen is released into the atmosphere. Which gas is used by humans to breathe? Nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen. And it is D, oxygen. Humans primarily use oxygen for breathing, while air is a mixture of gases including nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. It's the oxygen that is essential for the process of respiration. The body also releases carbon dioxide as a waste product of this process. So you can see in the picture, for inhalation we are using oxygen, and in exhalation process we release carbon dioxide. What is the boiling point of water? And right option here is B, 100 degree centigrade. Which of the following material is transparent? Glass, wood, plastic, metal. And correct option is A, glass. A transparent object allows light to pass through it, enabling clear visibility of objects on the other side. Examples include clear glass, clean water, and air. What are the animals that eat only meat called? Herbivores, omnivores, insectivores, or carnivores? Animals who eat only meat are called the carnivores. Herbivores eat only plants, carnivore eats only meat, and omnivores eat both plant and meat. Here in the picture we can see some herbivore animals: horses, deer, cow, butterfly, swan, and carnivores. It may be tiger, dog, some birds which only eat animals, then some omnivore animals. Which of the following is a herbivorous animal? Options are bear, lion, cat, cow. And the right option here is D, cow. Who of the following is the famous Indian missile man? Dr. Homi Bhabha, Dr. Abdul Kalam, C.V. Raman, Vikram Sarabhai. And the right option is Dr. Abdul Kalam. The famous Indian missile man is APJ Abdul Kalam. He played a crucial role in India's missile development program and was also the President of India. What do bees collect from flowers? Juice, seeds, nectar, leaves. And the right option is C, nectar. Bees collect two main things from flowers, nectar and pollen. Nectar is a sugary liquid that bees use for energy and it's converted into honey. Pollen, a powdery substance, is a source of protein and other nutrients for bees. Which force pulls object downwards? Push, gravity, magnetism, friction. And the correct option is B, gravity. Gravity is a force that pulls object downward towards the center of the earth, or it is the attraction between you and the earth. Which vitamin is received from sunlight? Options are A, D, B, C. And the correct option is vitamin D. This vitamin obtained from sunlight is vitamin D. When ultraviolet radiation from sun penetrates the skin, it triggers the body to produce vitamin D, and it is crucial for maintaining strong bones, muscles, and overall health. What's the shape of Earth? Round, flat, square, rectangle. And correct option is A, round. What helps fish to breathe underwater? Nose, fins, gills, tails. And correct option is C, gills. Fish breathe underwater using gills, It is a specialized organs that extract oxygen from the water. You can see here in picture types of gills. What are solid, liquid, and gases called? A, states of the matter. B, energies. C, chemicals. D, elements. And it is solid, liquid, and gases are called states of matter. What are the instruments used to look at stars? Options: A, microscope. B, periscope. C, telescope. D, barometer. And the right option here is C, telescope. The primary instrument used to observe stars is a telescope. Telescopes gather and focus light from distant objects, allowing astronomers to see stars and other celestial bodies in more details than is possible with the naked eyes. What's a magnet? And here, the right option here is a metal that attracts to iron. Which organ pumps blood in the human body? brain, heart, lungs, kidney. And the right option here is B, heart. The heart is the organ responsible for pumping blood throughout the human body. Which of these grow underground? Brinjal, grapes, potato, cauliflower. And potato is the right answer. It grows underground. Which celestial body gives us most light during night? Options are Moon, Jupiter, Sun, Mars. And correct option here is A, Moon. The Moon is the celestial body that provides most of the light we see at night. It reflects sunlight. What do you call the young one of the frog? Options are A, calf, B, tadpole, C, chick, D, cow. And correct answer is B, tadpole. Which of the following is not a natural resource? Water, soil, plastic, coal. And here right option is plastic because it is not a natural resource. Water, soil and coal are natural resource. Which Indian scientist received the first Nobel Prize? Options are Dr. Abdul Kalam, C.V. Raman, Hargobind Khurana, and Venkataraman Ramakrishnan. And the right answer is B. C.V. Raman. Dr. Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman, in short C.V. Raman, was an Indian physicist famous for contribution to the physics of light, for which he won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930 for his discovery of the Raman effect. Thank you. That's all for today. Hope you had fun learning new facts and answering exciting questions. If you like this session, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun and helpful learning videos in future. Thank you.